Hi boys and girls, this video is designed to help you simplify fractions. I'm going to show you two different ways to simplify a fraction. The first one is you want to find a common factor between the numerator and denominator. So in this example here, a common factor of both 6 and 20 is 2. So I'm going to divide my numerator by 2. And I'm also going to divide my denominator by 2. 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. And 20 divided by 2 gives me 10. So 6/20 simplifies to 3/10. Now I'm going to look at 16 over 4. This is an improper fraction, but I can still reduce both my numerator and denominator. The common factor between 16 and 4 is 4. So I'm going to divide 16 by 4, and I'm going to divide 4 by 4. 16 divided by 4 gives me 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 over 1 can then reduce to just 4. You can also look here, this is an improper fraction, and 16 divided by 4 also gives me the whole number of 4. When multiplying fractions, you can also do something called cross-simplifying. Now this only works with multiplying fractions. This isn't applied for adding and subtracting fractions. So when I'm cross-simplifying, I can look for a common factor between numbers that are diagonal from each other. So if I look at 14 and 7, a common factor of 14 and 7 is 7. So what I'm going to do is divide each of these numbers by 7. So 7 divided by 7 cancels out to 1. And 14 divided by 7 is 2. Now a common factor of both 6 and 9 is 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And now I can multiply across. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. And 6 divided by 2 can be reduced even further to 3. Now looking at the next example, there's no common factor of 9 and 7, so those cannot be simplified. Anytime I have the same number, in this case is 3, the common factor is 3, so they both can be simplified to 1. Now I can multiply across. 1 times 7 is 7, and 9 times 1 is 9. This concludes your video on reducing fractions. This has been brought to you by Fosdick Pumpkin Pie Productions.